Hey guys, it's Gary from Pitch Preacher Farm. It's 2 days after Thanksgiving and we're getting ready to tear the kitchen apart. We had a drop ceiling in here. We just put some temporary lights in here. We've got a drop ceiling in here, and as you can see, it's got that nasty old popcorn in here. We're going to take all this popcorn off. We're going to paint all this, and then we're going to put a tongue and groove ceiling in this with some canned LED lights in here, and we're going to take you along for the process. So here we go. Okay, as you can see, we got everything all taped off. We're going to start right here. I'm going to show you how easy this is. It's not hard. Get you up there close where you can see it. I've already sprayed this just a little bit. All you do is take a squirt bottle, squirt that and let it set for a little bit. Just take a scraper. See that? All there is to it. Be gentle with it. We're going to cover the biggest part of this up, so it's not going to matter. But know this stuff will make a mess. You're going to have a mess. So just be prepared for that. Now, the only problem with this is if you have painted over this popcorn, it's a major ordeal. I would recommend that you put a smooth coat over it or something like that before I done this if you've already painted it, because it will not come off. So I'll show you what we got when we get done. Alright, we got the frame up. We got the popcorn off. We got it painted sage green like Mama wanted it. Now we're gonna get the boards ready and get them finished. We'll start putting the ceiling up. Alright, here's our wood that we're going to use. It's a tongue and groove. There you can see the groove. There's the tongue on that end. We've got this finished. We wanted it, I didn't want it too dark, because it's kind of a box in there anyway, and the cabinets are dark. So I did a little bit lighter than maybe it should be, but I put a satin finish on them because I didn't want the ceiling shining back at me. But we got them all finished and we're ready to start putting them up probably tomorrow. So hang with me, the good part's coming. Okay guys, I finally got back on the ceiling in the kitchen, and as you can see, I got the LEDs in. I got the first run or two made here. Back up, you can kind of see it. That's railroad siding. I got the one LED down there, it's on. I got it on, got it wired up. So kind of gives you an idea of what we got going on. We're gonna go all the way across with it, and let me know what you think. I like it, but let me know what y'all think. Alright guys, we got her done. I'll turn these lights out here just a second. I don't have it trimmed up yet. I got to finish that up, but this is kind of what we ended up with in here. Let me turn these LEDs off and maybe you can see it a little better.
there's kind of what you got. That's kind of what we ended up with. Mama likes it, I like it, so that's all that's important. But it's the day after Christmas. I've been sicker than a dog. I got this creeping crud, and this little project kind of got put on hold, but I finished it Christmas Eve anyway. I was sick then, and I finished it up Christmas Eve. These LEDs, they got little clips on them, and they just pop in there. They're not about that thick, and they're real lightweight, and I'm really impressed with them. I really like them. But there you go. That's from taking the popcorn off to the finished product, and I've still got to trim these out on along the edges here, and then trim the cabinets off back there. So that's kind of where we're at, and kind of what it turned out to be. And I got to put a dimmer switch in for the lights, and they will dim down because they're pretty bright right now. But that's the finished product. That's your tongue and groove railroad siding. If you ever wonder what it looked like on a ceiling, well, there it is. Hey, thanks for watching my videos. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. I'd really appreciate it. But I'd like to hear your comments on it and see what y'all think about this. Thanks for watching.